Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Brand Bro channel. I hope you're revved up and ready for today's episode because we've got something truly exciting in store for you. Today, we're diving into the lesser known facts of one of the most iconic car manufacturers on the planet, BMW. When it comes to luxury automobiles, few brands command the same level of admiration and respect as BMW. Bavarian Motor Works, or BMW, is a name synonymous with performance, precision engineering, and a commitment to innovation. Let's get into the lesser known facts of BMW. The acronym BMW stands for Bayerische Motorenwerke in German, which translates to Bavarian Motor Works in English. Bayerische Motorenwerke AG is the full legal name of the company, while BMW is the commonly used abbreviation and brand name. Aircraft engine origins. BMW's history can be traced back to its roots as an aircraft engine manufacturer. In 1916, the company was founded as Bayerische Flugzeugwerke AG, BFW, and primarily focused on producing engines for German military aircraft during World War I. These engines were known for their reliability and played a crucial role in the war effort. BMW's early expertise in aviation engineering laid the foundation for its future endeavors in the automotive industry. World War II production. During World War II, BMW produced military equipment and engines for the German Army. Some of their wartime products included motorcycles and aircraft engines. Post-World War I Treaty. After World War I, the Treaty of Versailles forced BMW to stop making aircraft engines. This led to their transition into motorcycles and eventually automobiles. After the war, as the demand for aircraft engines waned, BMW shifted its focus to producing motorcycles and automobile engines. The first motorcycle. In the 1920s, they introduced their first motorcycle, the BMW R32, which featured a boxer engine layout, a design that would become iconic in BMW's motorcycle lineup. The first automobile, BMW's first automobile, the Dixie, was introduced in 1928. It was essentially a licensed version of the British Austin 7, but it marked BMW's entry into the automotive world. The BMW Group Headquarters. The BMW Group Headquarters, located in Munich, Germany, is an architectural masterpiece designed by Karl Schwanzer. Its distinctive shape, resembling four cylinders, pays tribute to BMW's heritage in aviation and transportation. The building features a glass facade, creating a futuristic appearance, and houses a small automotive museum. Adjacent to the headquarters is the BMW Welt, an exhibition and event center. The building is an iconic cultural landmark and a symbol of BMW's commitment to design and innovation. The iconic BMW logo. A large percentage of people believe the logo is a propeller, and has its origins in the company's early history as an aircraft engine manufacturer. The blue and white checkered design is said to represent a spinning propeller against a blue sky, symbolizing BMW's aviation heritage. But actually, the colors represent BMW's hometown Bavaria flag. The BMW Art Car Project. BMW's commitment to art and innovation is exemplified through the Art Car Project. This ongoing initiative invites renowned artists to transform BMW vehicles into artistic masterpieces. Artists like Andy Warhol, who painted a BMW M1, and Jeff Koons, who adorned a BMW M3 GT2, have contributed to this unique fusion of automotive engineering and contemporary art. The quirky BMW Isetta. BMW's foray into post-war automotive production resulted in the creation of the BMW Isetta, an unconventional microcar. What makes the Isetta stand out is its front opening door, which allowed easy access in tight parking spaces. The Isetta's small size and single-cylinder engine were a departure from BMW's typical luxury and performance vehicles, showcasing the brand's versatility. Tom Cruise and Mission Impossible. BMW has had a notable presence in the Mission Impossible film series. The BMW Vision Efficient Dynamics concept car made a significant appearance in Mission Impossible: Ghost Protocol. Tom Cruise's character, Ethan Hunt, often drives BMW vehicles in thrilling chase scenes. The Ultimate Driving Machine tagline. BMW's legendary tagline, "The Ultimate Driving Machine," was coined during a pivotal moment in the company's history. It was introduced by BMW's founder, Franz Joseph Popp, during a meeting where he emphasized the brand's unwavering commitment to producing cars that prioritize the joy and pleasure of driving. This tagline has since become synonymous with BMW's driving experience. The Secret Time Capsule. In recent years, a hidden time capsule from BMW's early days was discovered in Munich, Germany. This remarkable find contained a treasure trove of historical documents, photographs, and memorabilia that provided valuable insights into BMW's early history. It served as a captivating window into the brand's journey from its inception to its present-day excellence. Hi folks, before dive into more interesting facts about BMW, please like and subscribe to our channel. BMW's role in James Bond films. BMW's appearance in James Bond films added a touch of sophistication to the legendary spy franchise. The BMW Z3 and GoldenEye and the BMW 750 and Tomorrow Never Dies showcase the brand's luxury and performance attributes, making them perfect choices for James Bond's adventures. BMW's M1 supercar. BMW's M1 supercar, produced in the late 1970s, was a departure from their typical offerings. It featured a mid-engine layout, designed primarily for motorsport. With a limited production run and a unique design, the M1 remains an iconic classic in BMW's history. The M division of BMW. The renowned M division of BMW stands for motorsport and was originally created to oversee BMW's racing efforts. It later became synonymous with high-performance road cars. The BMW double kidney grille. BMW's distinctive twin kidney grille design has its origins in the 1930s. It wasn't just a stylistic choice, it served a functional purpose by improving the cooling efficiency of the engine. Over the years, this grille design has become one of the most recognizable features of BMW vehicles, symbolizing both elegance and performance. The first hybrid SUV. BMW's commitment to sustainability and innovation is evident in the introduction of the X6 Active Hybrid in 2009. This hybrid SUV combined a powerful engine with electric propulsion, offering improved fuel efficiency without compromising performance. It marked BMW's entry into the luxury hybrid SUV segment and showcased the brand's dedication to environmentally friendly mobility solutions. BMW's electric car beginnings. BMW actually produced electric cars in the early 1970s, long before the current electric vehicle, EV, boom. The BMW 1602e was one such example. The Hydrogen 7 cars. BMW developed a hydrogen-powered car called the Hydrogen 7. It featured a dual fuel system that allowed it to run on either hydrogen or gasoline. The off-road history. BMW's G series of motorcycles, known for their adventure and off-road capabilities, was inspired by the company's involvement in the International 6 Days Trial, ISDT, off-road competition. E39 BMW M5's unique production. The E39 BMW M5, a beloved high-performance sedan, was entirely hand-assembled, which was an exception in BMW's production process. The BMW's Gina concept. BMW's Gina, geometry and functions in an adaptations, concept car featured a flexible fabric body, a design innovation that allowed the car's shape to change. iDrive origins. The iDrive infotainment system, now a standard feature in BMW cars, was initially met with mixed reactions when it was introduced in 2001. However, it has since become a hallmark of BMW's interior design and functionality. So, there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the lesser-known, fascinating world of BMW. From aircraft engines to art cars, BMW's journey is a testament to innovation and excellence. If you enjoyed learning these lesser-known facts about BMW, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and stay curious.